Hey G-Squad, welcome back from Soda. Is it worth it? So today's episode we got this cool around here, and basically what this is a handheld shower head. If you see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and they do mention for the product it does have 10 different modes available in terms of spray option. So here are basically the 10 different modes available for you guys, and I will show you guys what it looks like in a second. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, so once you guys open up, and you see how the product is honestly wrapped up, let's take everything out first. So first thing inside right here, they give you guys this part where you can stick the hose right here and the handle right here. And we guys do see material that's on here. It definitely feels like a high quality material. But here is basically what the other side looks like right here. Next up right here, they probably got a leak tape that can stick onto your product to prevent any kind of leakage. And next up right here, you can see there's a bunch of holes on here that you guys can spray out when you guys use a different mode. I'm assuming the way how you guys change the different mode is by pressing on this button right here. So each time you guys push it, it changes to a different mode each time. And if you guys notice on top right here, we do have a spray option as well, which is pretty unique because not all shower heads or handheld shower head has that option available. And right here, we do have the button for the press to change the different mode on here as well. So we will test it out in a second to show you guys how it works. But right here in the bottom is where you guys want to insert it into the hose. So right here is the hose. I believe for the hose it is stainless steel because when you guys feel the materials on here, it definitely feels pretty high quality. And then last but not least, right here we do have the user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. So the whole setup process and everything shouldn't take that long, and it should be pretty easy. But that is basically everything that's included in this set. Now let's go set this up to show you guys how to install it and also show you guys what it actually looks like once you guys do set it up. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so first thing you guys want to do is actually set up the white tape first. So if you guys don't have white tape right here, you guys want to set that up. So stick this on first. Alright, so that should be good. So once you guys put on the white tape, what you guys want to do next is to screw on the actual handle option. So you basically want to screw on this part right here. Once you guys got that on, then you can stick on the actual hose. So right here is the hose. So there's basically two ends to the product. You guys want to screw on this end onto the actual product and this side onto the shower head. But you basically want to take off this part right here on top first. And same thing for our side. And now you can screw it on. Alright, so we got it on. Now let's put on this part. So for this part, all you need to do is screw on just like this. And then once you guys do that, you can hang it on top. And here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. You can see very easy and very simple. Let me actually bring the camera a little bit closer to show you guys what it looks like before you turn it on. Alright, so once you guys bring the camera a little bit closer, here is basically what the product looks like. So here's what it looks like right here. Here's the hose option. And right here we do have the handle for the shower head option. And then here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. So now let's turn it on to show you guys what each different mode looks like and how well the product works. So we're turning it all the way right here first, and then let's turn it on. So here is the first mode, which is basically turning off the product. If I pull it down one time, here is one of the modes that I believe is probably like the second mode. If you guys press it again, here's mode number 3, press it again. Mode number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I believe 10 is right here. So if you guys push it down, let's see what happens. Alright, so you see for number 10, when you guys do press it, it sprays the water out really strong. The water is so strong to the point that actually flew to the wall and actually hit the ceiling and actually bounced the water everywhere all over the floor. So if you guys want to use the spraying option, you guys want to aim it somewhere where you guys want to do a deep clean option. So maybe like your toilet, or you guys want to clean like your sink. However you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But basically when you guys use the product, it definitely works pretty well, and it has a high pressure water when you guys do use it. Welcome back guys. So nice little quick test of the product definitely actually does work, and actually works quite well. So you see the whole setup process and everything, it didn't take that long. Once you guys do fully set it up and make sure nothing leaks out, then you start using it, just like how I'll show you guys in the video. And you see when you guys use the product, everything on here definitely does work. It definitely has a high pressure water when you guys do use it on certain mode. But you can definitely play around with each different mode to see which one is best for you guys. But I do love the fact that how it has like that cleaning mode in the top. So that way if you guys want to use it to clean like your toilet, or if you guys want to clean like your bathtub or something, you definitely have the option available, which is pretty awesome. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we come boxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality handheld shower head that give you guys the different modes that's available on here, and also give you guys that strong kind of cleaning mode option that allow you guys to clean like your toilet, or if you guys want to clean like the towels in your shower, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.